Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create eye-catching lightboxes, also known as pop-ups, in Wix. If you've ever wondered how to set up those attention-grabbing pop-ups for discounts, announcements, or newsletters on your own Wix website, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up and connect a pop-up to a button, taking your site's interactivity to the next level. Let's dive right in. First up, let's open your Wix editor and focus on adding a Lightbox element, which Wix refers to as a pop-up. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the menu. Click on Add Elements. This is where all the widgets live. Once you're in the Add panel, use the search bar at the top and type in Pop-up. Wix keeps things nice and straightforward, so you'll quickly see several pop-up designs pop up for you to choose from. Think about your site's needs. Maybe you want to announce an upcoming sale, grab emails for a newsletter, or offer a limited-time discount. For our example today, let's go with a discount pop-up. Scroll through the options and pick a design that fits your brand. If you want something bold and colorful, choose a style that matches your vibe. But if you're more minimal, there are sleek options too. Don't stress too much about picking the perfect one on the first try. You can always come back and swap it out later. Once you've clicked on your chosen pop-up, it will appear on your page ready for customization. This is your creative playground. Wix lets you modify the text, images, colors, buttons, and even animations. For example, if it's a discount pop-up, you might want to change the message to something direct like, "Get 20% off today," and maybe add your brand's logo for a professional touch. You can adjust fonts, colors, and even add a little sparkle to make it stand out. Take your time here. This part might take a few moments as you find what looks best. If you're happy with the default look, that's totally fine. You don't need to modify every detail. When your pop-up looks great, it's time to connect it to an action. This is super important. Your pop-up won't show unless something triggers it, so let's make that happen. Head back to Add Elements, and this time, we're going to add a button. Think of a button as the trigger for your pop-up. It's what visitors will click to open the Lightbox. Drag a button onto your site wherever it makes sense, maybe on a product page or the home banner. Then, double-click the button to change the text. In our tutorial, let's set it to Buy Now. You want the wording here to match what your pop-up is offering, so users don't get confused. Next, with the button selected, click on the link icon. Wix gives you a bunch of linking options, but for this, select Pop-up. If you have multiple pop-ups on your site, Wix will let you choose which one you want to trigger. Select your discount pop-up from the list. This links the button so that when site visitors click it, the pop-up opens right away. Super easy. Now comes the fun part, the test run. Head up to the top right corner and click Preview. This switches your site to live mode so you can interact with everything as your visitors would. Find your Buy Now button. Give it a click and voila! Your pop-up appears with your message and design. Pause here to double-check everything looks and feels right. Maybe reword something, fine-tune your colors, or tweak the animation if something feels off. And that's all there is to it. With just a few steps, you've added a dynamic, clickable Lightbox to your Wix site that can boost engagement, capture leads, or highlight offers. If you get stuck or something doesn't look quite right, don't worry. Just take a breath and try again. Wix's editor makes experimentation super easy, so you can always adjust until it feels perfect. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button, drop a comment below if you have questions or need advice, and don't forget to subscribe for more Wix tips and web design tutorials. See you in the next video.